By this time, you probably heard a lot about OfferLab, but you still have a lot of questions. How you can actually make money? What is the type of ways that you can monetize and start making money using OfferLab, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 4 ways that you can use to monetize and start making money using OfferLab, right? OfferLab, if you don't know what OfferLab is the newest platform that Russell Brunson is about to launch, which is all about collaboration, which is the coolest thing ever. It's all about we selling each other's product, we making money together. So if you are an offer creator, you can list your products. If you're an affiliate, you can build like super funnels. If you are a funnel builder, or also promoting OfferLab, right? So let me share my screen with you and share all the ways that you can start making money using OfferLab. This is really exciting. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my video, like this video so I know what the type of content that you guys like watching. And without further ado, let's go to the video. All right, so now we are here inside OfferLab, my account. And the first way that you can use to start making money online is if you are offer creator, right? If you have a digital product, if you have a physical product, if you have any offer that you own, that you created, or that you have the rights to modify and sell, you can list the products inside OfferLab. And immediately you have more distribution, more people selling for you. So what you're gonna do, first thing, you're gonna go to the bottom right here, and you're gonna integrate, go to settings, and you want to do the integration. If you use ClickFunnels or Shopify, WooCommerce, Go High Level, whatever the platform that you use to host your digital products, you need to connect with them, right? That's number one. That's not gonna change. Then you're gonna go in Sell, and right here in Vault, you can import and create a new offer. So me personally, I put my Insta Profit System and I put my Millionaire Woman Academy. That's my products. I created the products, so therefore I can list the products. If you are just an affiliate for a product, you cannot put the product as your own. So I see a lot of people asking if they can put a product that they are an affiliate for. No, you can't. You can't list a product that you are just an affiliate. Only the creator of the product has the power, has the ability to list the products, because you don't control the distribution, right? You don't own the back end of that product. So you can list the products, only the products that you created, that you own, or if it's a digital product that you have the PLR, or you have the rights to modify and sell as your own, and you have the rights to listen here inside OfferLab. Otherwise, you can get in trouble, okay? So number one, you have your offer. You're gonna list your products here. Immediately, you get more distribution and more people selling for you, right? So when you list your products, you need to choose what's the percentage of commissions that you're going to give to people that's going to sell your product for you, right? So that's number one, how you can make money with OfferLab. Now, number two, how you can make money with OfferLab is as an affiliate, right? If you are an affiliate, you can create your account inside OfferLab, and you can go right here in Marketplace, and you can create these super funnels. So what you can do, you can go here on the Marketplace and you can choose products to sell together. So, and create these super funnels, right? So for example, you can get one product, for example, it's a ebook, how to lose weight with keto diet, right? So you choose to promote that product as your main offer. Then you see here this supplement, how to digest a meal. Then you can put this one here on the funnel and sell as order bump, or as an upsell, or as a downsell. And you can create this bundle of products, that this funnel, right, with products that you didn't have to create. And the creators of the products, they're gonna give you a percentage of the product that you are promoting, right? So you're gonna make a commission of every time you sell that product on these funnels. You make a commission for each one of them. Now, that's number three way that you can use to make money using OfferLab is by if you are a funnel builder, right? Now OfferLab is super hot. It's super hot right now. It's a big platform that Russell Brunson is launching. So there's a lot of people that wants to put the offer inside OfferLab. And maybe you are the techie person, right? Maybe you are the funnel builder and you understand about this. So you can literally offer this service for creators, and hey, you can find creators and offer them this service for putting the products and listing the products inside OfferLab to get more distribution and more sales. Because the reality is, every creator, every business owner, they want more sales, they want more distribution. So this is a easy thing that you can do to make money, is offering this service for business owners, right? Like, hey, you have a product, do you want more distribution, do you want more sales? This platform is amazing. You can list your products, I can listen for you, people can immediately sell your products for you, and you start getting more sales and more distribution. How amazing is that, right? Now, so there is another way that you can do as well, is promoting the platform itself, promoting OfferLab. Because when you put more affiliates and more creators inside the platform, they are coded to you and you get recurring commissions for years to come, because they are coded for you for life. So you have the possibilities to make recurring revenue for years, right? So that's number 4 way that you can use to make money with OfferLab. And not only that, but Russell Brunson has a one-time offer to get a certification program. And what this certification program does, the certification program literally teaches you how to become a super affiliate, how to get more traffic to your offers, how to promote the offers, how to get more creators inside the OfferLab, how to get the traffic. Literally, you're gonna learn from the best, right? Russell Brunson is the only guy that I know that was able to make over $1 billion in online sales. So if you want to be the best, you gotta learn from the best, and no one better than Russell Brunson for you to learn how to become super affiliate, right? Russell Brunson and his top affiliates, who has generated millions in online sales. And Russell Brunson, when Russell Brunson had offered this certification program, he allows you to keep 100% in commissions. So you just promote. Russell Brunson does the sell for you, right? He's the guy who has sold billion online, and he's closing the sale for you. So you keep 100% commissions. And look at this. This is what I've made by promoting OfferLab in just few weeks. I've made past 20,000 already extra in my business by just talking about OfferLab. That's how hot is this offer, and that's how the power of having Russell Brunson doing the selling for you. We are in the collaboration season. I truly believe that. We are in the collaboration season, and collaboration selling is the future, and it's right here. And if you don't jump on this trending, on this wave, you're gonna be left behind. And I promise you, years later, you're gonna look behind and say, I should have jumped on this platform. And you know what? It's completely free for you to create your account. Don't cost anything for you to create an account. So number 1, create an account. And if you can, of course, you wanna learn from the best, get the certification program, because it's a one-time offer. And if you don't get right away, you might not be able to access that certification program. And when you get the certification program, of course, I bundle amazing, insane bonuses that you're gonna get by just using my link, right? You're gonna get a private Facebook group with me and top 7-figure affiliate marketers also, which is my friends. You're gonna get my mentorship program, Millionaire Woman Academy 2.0. Literally people paid $1,000 to get access to this mentorship program, and I'm giving you for free when you get the certification program with my link. Not only that, but over 2,000 worth in value, in bonuses. I'm putting all my reputation and my name on this because I truly believe on this platform. I truly believe that we are in this collaboration seasoning, and it's going to change the way that we sell online, which is I'm super excited about it. Use the link is down below in this video. Get started. Send an email to the email address, and I will send you my insane bonuses. Don't wait. You don't want to be left behind. I see you inside.